What's up, everybody? It's the BS boys coming at you from this kind of stormy day, but we're not letting that drag us down.
Yeah, this wind kind of sucks. My name's Austin.
And I'm Nate.
And we're gonna show you the top 10 easy beginner tricks.
All your friends will think you're cool.
Trick numero uno is a bunny hop or a J-hop, anything. For the J-hop, you're gonna yank up on the front tire and then push forward and suck these knees straight up. Hopefully that was good enough for you guys.
That was good. Next trick on the list, we're gonna show you guys a fun little trick. I don't care who you are, it's fun. And I don't have brakes on my bike, so I'm gonna show you the skid, no brakes.
All right, let's get it.
Woohoo!
Let me get another, Dusty lens. Yes.
So all you gotta do with that, if you have no brakes, when you're riding, you take your foot, put it in the back tire like that, kind of kick that back end out a little bit. You'll have fun with that one.
We're gonna combo this next trick for you guys. It's a manual slash wheelie type of thing.
I'd recommend doing wheelie first because it's a little bit easier than the manual. Show us what you got, Bag.
For the wheelie, make sure you start with like your front foot up, and then when you go, you're gonna pull up and pedal. If you feel yourself dropping, just pedal a little harder.
Just like any other trick, the more you practice, the further you'll go, the better you'll get.
If you're really struggling, bow those elbows, man.
Yeah,
it's all right.
Doesn't even matter. Who cares?
It's about having fun.
That's what it's all about.
Trying to look cool in front of the older kids. You don't got to do that.
So I'm going to show you the variant of the wheelie. It's a wheelie without pedaling. It's all just balance on your back tire, called the manual. So what you want to do, you want to get some speed. Same thing as the wheelie. You want to pull back and lean your whole body back. And then practice until you find that balance point. Give you an example.
That trick definitely helps to learn in a parking lot with parking spaces. You just kind of do one at a time, you know?
Push
just
yourself.
Keep adding on.
Push yourself one more space every time. Keep giving it a shot.
Next trick, we're doing a fakie. This one's a little more complicated than the other ones. We have an in-depth tutorial on our channel if you want to go watch that, but we'll give you the basics on this.
Bag's doing it on free coaster, I'm doing it on cassette, so we'll show you two different options.
To learn this trick, you could find a curb, a wall, or a quarter pipe, just so you can like bounce your front tire off it, yank back, or on a quarter pipe, you just go up, come right back down. But I only have a curb today.
Let's use it.
Go up slow, you don't gotta go fast, you're gonna die. All right, kind of push your front tire, yank back, and then pull it back. Lean back, start to carve which way you want to come out. So your bike starts to turn, and then when you're like 45 to 90, pick that front tire up and pull it the rest of the way around. Make sure you turn the head with it.
You'll be looking good after that.
Fuego, fuego. All right, Nate.
I'm gonna show you on cassette.
It's gonna show the cassette moves.
Let's do it.
Yes. That little nose pivot he was doing helps him generate speed coming backwards. Next trick is the magnet. I think it's called that, not really sure. It's where you're riding and then you take your feet off like this and then suck the bike back up to you. So when you go, take those feet off and then you're gonna have to yank the bike up. Just pull up as hard as you can, straight to your feet. All right.
This one's gonna impress all your friends, I promise. If it doesn't, you can DM us. Tell us we suck. Oh, yeah. Dude, I'm so impressed. That was so sick, bro.
Thanks, man. I learned it at the BS Boys.
Really? I'm gonna go check out their channel, dude.
Yeah, sub to the channel. Help us out.
Next trick in store for you guys, they call it Ghostride the Whip. That's what I call it.
All right, let's see. I don't even know if I've ever seen this. That was so cool.
More speed you get, the longer your bike will go. Just keep challenging yourself. That one's fun. And all you got to do is when you're riding, you hop both feet off at the same time and then kind of give it a little push. Then your bike will be going. And then grab those bars and hop back on.
All right, we're gonna show you the pull-up bar. There's 3 different ways to do it, or 3 that I've experienced. You can either put both feet on the pegs, hold the seat, just kind of do that. That's how I used to do. And then there is the 1 foot on pedal, 1 foot on peg, and you kind of clamp your knees to the seat, pick up, throw the bars. Or there's the way you guys see in all those professional videos.
The hardest way.
Yeah, come around, both feet on pedals, just the back heel on peg, and then clench your knees, pick up, throw. Those are 3. I'll show you a demonstration of all. First one, and then just hop back on 1 foot pedal, 1 foot peg, clamp those knees, pick up, throw. There you go. Now the professional way, I guess.
Nice.
When you're experienced at that, you can go for doubles if you really want.
Woohoo!
First
Smooth
try.
as glass. Just after you mess around with it a little bit, just have fun with it.
Don't do that, all right? I can't even count what that was. Next trick is the X-Ride. This one might be a little scary at first because you do have to land back like this and ride that out for a little bit. But once you get comfortable, it's pretty easy. So figure out which way you want to spin those bars. If I'm right foot forward, so I like to spin it to the right like a bar spin or a normal X-up, either one. But it's all right if you want to do it this way. A lot of people do. So you're just gonna pick up that front wheel, twist the arms, land, and then it's pretty easy to get out because you're just gonna go back that normal way.
This next trick, we're coming at you all the way from California with those gnarly swells. They call this one the surfer. All you want to do is you want to go from your pedals and then hop up, put 1 foot on your frame, and then your back foot on your seat, and then ride it out. You'll be looking nice. Oh! This last trick, it's getting funky.
It's gonna get you all the ladies, familia. It's called the backwards ride.
Damn. Let's check it out. Guys, that's not how you're supposed to ride a bike.
I called it the backwards ride for a reason, my friend.
Oh, wow.
So you're gonna sit on the handlebars, make sure one of your pedals is facing up, like that. So you have that pedal pressure to go forward. Press, put that other foot on, and just kind of balance it out, just ride. And then you can look over the shoulder if you feel comfortable. Make sure you're not gonna hit anything. Just keep pedaling. You don't have to go fast, just nice, slow, and steady. Just keep it going. Hey, you wanna get in on this?
Yeah.
All right, let me turn around. Let's see if I got it. There's no real good dismount for me on this one.
Don't worry about it.
Just flex to your friends.
Whichever way you feel your body falling, kind of turn into the fall. Use the bars to turn a little bit. You get the hang of it, no hands. No feet.
Always keep the feet on the pedals.
Yeah, big move.
We learned that here today. Keep the feet on.
That's the pro tip. That's trick number 11. Keep your feet on the pedals unless you're doing tricks, all right? You guys just watched how to do 10 beginner BMX tricks with Nate
and Austin. And if you thought this video was informational, hit that sub button, hit that like button, share with your other beginner friends. It was all for you guys to learn.
Get out there, have fun, give them a shot. Bye.